the 4th of July. Me and the little one, dude, we got like a 1 hour window to catch something. I mean, the season is about to end. So yeah, we're trying to get it like an hour while my wife works. So technically I'm like 2 or 3 hours. But yeah, it's our last shot. So see if we can pull it off. I mean, I feel like the stars are aligning. I mean, I've been getting skunked a lot. We've been getting skunked. I've been getting skunked for like years. I don't think I ever caught nothing good on plunking, but I think this is the day we've been waiting for. It's gonna be epic. I hope not. Don't worry. Okay, this you have to look left, right, and left. Even though trains are very slow. Good job. So there's a train coming. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Hold on, hold on. Cross, 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 go. Cross, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Good. Your mommy's not gonna like seeing that part of the how you get. This is a secret spot. No problem. It's a lot of this. Time for the magic. Great, I got this beautiful sweater. I do not want to mess up. All right. Oh my God. Oh, you got it, guys. That's you. Sorry. Okay. Here, let me help pull it out. Wait, when I put the clicker here, then, yeah, here you go. Here you go. Reel it. Feel how heavy it is. Between your legs. Good. Crank it. Now reel it. So, if we get one in an hour, that's going to be epic, dude. We should have came here earlier. I think all of them are over there, huh? It's a nice seam over here. Be careful. Dude, we did. Hold on, wait. Dude, you gotta be kidding me, dude. I did a 10-second count. Oh, dude, that was a bite, no doubt. Dude, why is this happening? Probably sturgeon, though. Oh no, not a sturgeon. Oh, that's good though. This thing's. Oh no. Oh, nice. See what we got. Oh. Get the net, son. Get the net. See, I'm lifting it up and then reeling in. See what we got. All right, I'll get this one. You got the next one, okay? If we pull it in. We got, oh, we got one. Get the net, son. We got a sockeye. Yes, son. Get the net, son. Hold on, don't go in the water. I think it's oh, is it steelhead? Does it have a fin? Does it have a fin? Does it have a fin?
Oh yeah.
Fin, put them in the net. They got a fin?
15.
Oh, he's got a fin, dang.
16 pounds.
Oh, steelhead, man, and the fin. We gotta let him go.
Dang, bro.
No, we want to keep him.
We can't. There's rules.
But I want to keep him.
Oh man, I need the pliers.
Can I keep him?
The next one. That was a nice fish,
I
though.
want to keep that guy. Because he's on table.
Oh man.
Can I keep him?
You can't.
Oh,
You want to let him go?
no.
Hold him. Let him go.
No, let's keep him. Here.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Oh,
Freaking took off like crazy.
I want him.
Fin? I know. I'm crying too, but you can't have that fin on the back. We'll get another one, all right? Oh. Relax. Here, yeah, just relax right here. Here you go. Thanks for being here, man. This is amazing. What'd you say?
We got skunked.
No, we didn't get skunked.
Well, we got a fish.
Yes. It's not the right one today. Yeah, these are big ones. Oh, careful. Still slippery. Good job, though. Good recovery. Got a couple more of those hills. Little man there getting a nap after doing some work. So yeah, that was a fun day. It was real special. I'll open up a little bit here. Oh, as I missed my exit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was special. Been putting a lot of time in the spot, and dude, I've like a lot of hours and a lot of gas spent, a lot of money, a lot of heartache, a lot of discouragement. I mean, I put a lot of time trying to catch a springer, and yeah, the first time I take him, I actually land something, you know. So that was real special. Becoming more and more and more best buds. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, you know, wholesome content and little man catching fish, then I recommend that you like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.